So it's almost that time for Nvidia stock as the company's reporting earnings in 2 days. So we have to break down the charts, everything that you need to know about the earnings, the estimates, what analysts are saying, of course, what my thoughts are, what I'm doing, and we're going to break down the futures market, which as of now, we are up across the board thanks to Donald Trump pushing back the tariffs on the EU, I think till July 9th or something like that. So we're seeing the futures market up right now. So we're going to break that down. Again, everything that you need to know about Nvidia. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Join the free email stock newsletter. That is linked down below. Same with the Patreon if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing in my portfolio. All of those are down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So right off the bat, Nvidia stock heading into this week, which, by the way, today's Monday. The market was closed. It's Memorial Day. Hope you guys had a great Memorial Day. But heading into this short week, Nvidia stock last week didn't do that well. We actually downtrended pretty much the entire week. But now that we're seeing the futures market pop, right, we're green across the board. It looks like Nvidia in the overnight market, if you will, is up about $2.50, almost $3 a share. We're now pushing into the mid 130s. We'll see if that ends up holding. But yeah, we're heading into this week pretty much down the entire last week. So we'll see how that sets us up after earnings. But as of now, like I said, we're popping. And we're seeing the futures market, before we actually dive into, the numbers, Nvidia a bit deeper, let me show you the futures market, which right now, the S&P futures are up just over 1%. You're noticing here it's at, the S&P futures up over 60 points on the session right now, a little over 1%. Let's see, the Russell futures are up 1.16%. That's very good. NASDAQ up 1.25%. So the NASDAQ futures are really pushing right now as the Dow, the Dow futures are up just a hair under 1%. So clearly, the fact that, we got Trump pushing back tariffs, opening up the room for more negotiations for about a month and a half more here, that is sending up the futures market. And of course, Nvidia in that overnight market session. So I'm all for it. And we'll see again if this sets up maybe a rally for Nvidia, for the stock market, but particularly Nvidia before earnings, right? Will we see a nice move here before earnings? I'm very curious because overall, Nvidia's still breaking out. I mean, yeah, we're downtrending over the last couple of days, but when in doubt, zoom out. And we're still breaking out, obviously, on this 4-hour time frame. And if I pull this 30-minute chart up and get this channel tool out, we've actually been slipping not only just the last couple of days, but really it's been about almost 2 weeks now on Nvidia stock. And now we're testing the top of this channel, which this is the spot that needs to break. And if it does, we could be, flying from there, right? Back towards, the high 130s, over 140. And I think, if they crush earnings, we're going over 140. That's what I think. I could be wrong, but I think that's going to spark a breakout. And we talked about this, I believe, in my last Nvidia update. We covered how the options market is showing an 8% or 7.5% swing in either direction for Nvidia stock post earnings. We'll see how that goes. And, if they crush earnings and let's say it goes up 8%, kind of like what the market or the options market is projecting. Let's say it went up 8% from here. Do you guys want to know where Nvidia stock would be in that case? Do you guys want to know where it would be? It would be just under all-time highs. If Nvidia stock went up 8% from where it is now, we'd be flirting with the mid-high 140s, and the all-time high is 153. So, yeah, it's all coming down to earnings and guidance in particular for Nvidia here. So, obviously, I own the stock, full disclosure. You guys probably guessed that by now. I was buying the stock like crazy a couple weeks ago on the dip. when it got down to 80, 90 bucks. I was a big buyer, and I'm happy I did. I'm happy I bought it. And, of course, I'm holding on now. I'm not buying any shares at this point. I'm just holding on, but we'll see. Maybe if somehow the stock goes down after earnings, maybe I'll buy more. But for now, I'm just holding on tight, heading into earnings, and I'm not doing anything in terms of option strategies, options plays. I'm not doing really any short-term gambling, if you will. I'm just holding on to my long-term shares. So this is what we're looking at right here. This is Nvidia stock. So we're seeing this on Yahoo Finance. The PE ratio, let me come over here. Right now, heading into earnings this week, the trailing 12-month PE is sitting at 44.6, and the forward PE is a 30, which honestly is not too bad considering Nvidia's growth. And when I was buying it like crazy, I'm sure a lot of you were as well, a couple weeks ago, I think the PE got down. The forward PE got all the way down to like 20, 21, which for Nvidia stock is unfreaking believable, right? So now we're chilling at a 30 forward PE, trailing P's 45, and the market cap is $3.2 trillion. I'm not sure if this is more than Apple. I think it actually is because Apple's down a good chunk, but I don't know what the biggest company in the world is. It's either Nvidia, Apple, or Microsoft. One of those three. It pretty much changes all the time. But that's where we're at now with Nvidia heading into this week with earnings. And based on analysts, we have 62 analysts saying that Nvidia right now, well, not 62 saying, but out of the 62 analysts, we have 12 of them saying it's a strong buy. We have 41 saying it's a buy. A couple of hold ratings. Looks like maybe one underperform rating and literally no sell ratings right now. And the analyst price targets, you guys see right here, the average is 162. The high is 220 with the low being 100. So, we're more towards the low price target on Wall Street, obviously, as we're at $130 a share right now. And coming down here to the estimates, what everybody wants to see, what's Nvidia projected to do this go around EPS, revenue-wise. So analysts have them doing on average earnings per share-wise 73 cents. The low estimate is 64 cents. The high is 78 cents. And a year ago, they did 61 cents of EPS. So from 61 last year to 73 cents EPS, not bad growth there. And revenue-wise, look at this. Based on 41 analysts, the average estimate for EPS is $43.1 billion. The low is $39 billion. The high is $45.6 billion. And last year, you guys ready for this? They did $26 billion of revenue. So revenue's projected to grow 65% year over year. Pretty nutty, guys. And again, that goes back to that forward P of 30. You could argue this is low. You could argue Nvidia is a good buy today, depending on who you're talking to, and definitely a good buy at a 20 forward P. It was when the stock was a lot lower. It was a freaking no-brainer. I was pounding the table, making video after video, talking about it, and this is why. Because it was a screaming buy, and clearly the market recorrected itself, and we're up 56% off the lows. The dip, let's just say, was bought here on the stock. So going back to the chart, keep your eyes on obviously what's going on with tariffs, Trump, the headlines, because that's moving the market in either direction. Obviously, we're seeing that with what happened when he put the 50% tariff on the EU. Now we're seeing, when he did that, the market went down. Now we're seeing he's pushing it back to July 9th. The market's going up. So keep your eyes on the headlines, as this will fluctuate Nvidia stock over the next day, 2 days heading into earnings. I know today, Monday, the market was closed. Wednesday is the earnings day. But remember, earnings they're after the bell. So we still have 2 full days of trading before earnings, Tuesday and Wednesday. So keep your eyes on potentially momentum building up here. You know, with the futures up, with this being, a very watched stock. A lot of eyes are on Nvidia. All eyes are on Nvidia really this week. So there could be some hype. There could be some momentum building up here before earnings. And again, on top of that, the market in general is rebounding. We might start getting some momentum here. And all eyes are on this 30-minute chart where we have this little downtrending channel outlined. If this is able to break, yeah, we could be going a lot higher. Keep your eyes on it. So that's pretty much it. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow along for more content. Join the free email stock newsletter. Check out my Patreon as well if you want to see me build out my portfolio on Patreon. We're crushing it on that portfolio, guys. That is linked down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.